Welcome to Gear Flux Garage. The Audi Skysphere concept represents a bold leap into the future of automotive design, embodying Audi's vision of progressive luxury through an innovative blend of technology, style, and versatility. At its core, the Skysphere is an electric roadster unlike any other, a car designed to deliver two distinct experiences within one seamless package. This groundbreaking vehicle redefines what a sports car can be by transforming its shape, interior, and driving dynamics to adapt to the driver's mood and needs, setting a new standard for modern luxury and performance. At first glance, the Audi Skysphere captures attention with its striking silhouette and elegant proportions. The design pays homage to classic roadsters with a long hood, low stance, and sweeping lines. But it's clear this is no ordinary sports car. The magic lies in its ability to physically alter its dimensions and character through a revolutionary wheelbase adjustment system. In sports mode, the Skysphere contracts to a shorter wheelbase, delivering sharp, agile handling and an intimate cockpit that puts the driver firmly in control. This mode emphasizes pure driving pleasure with responsive steering, powerful acceleration, and an engaging connection to the road. Switching to Grand Touring mode, the car transforms dramatically, extending its wheelbase to create a longer, more spacious cabin. This isn't just about extra legroom, it's a complete reimagining of the driving experience for long-distance travel or autonomous cruising. The interior morphs into a luxurious lounge, equipped with a shifting cockpit that retracts the steering wheel and pedals, giving the driver or passenger a relaxing, hands-free environment. This mode highlights Audi's commitment to advanced automated driving technology, where comfort, safety, and convenience take center stage. The heart of the Skysphere's dual personality is its cutting-edge technology ecosystem. A large digital display dominates the interior, offering a highly customizable interface that adapts seamlessly between driving modes. In sports mode, the screen prioritizes performance data, navigation, and driver-focused controls, creating an immersive, high-tech cockpit that enhances the thrill of the drive. Meanwhile, in Grand Touring mode, the screen transforms into an entertainment and information hub, supporting multimedia, communications, and even wellness features designed to keep occupants engaged and relaxed on the road. One of the most fascinating aspects of the Audi Skysphere is the way it blends tradition with innovation. The exterior design evokes the spirit of classic roadsters, with clean aerodynamic lines and a low profile that exudes elegance and power. Yet beneath this familiar form lies a fully electric powertrain that delivers instant torque and silent acceleration, showcasing Audi's dedication to sustainable mobility without compromising performance. This electric heart also supports the vehicle's autonomous capabilities, enabling the Skysphere to drive itself with precision and confidence in Grand Touring mode. Audi's vision for the Skysphere also extends to connectivity and digital integration. The vehicle is designed to be part of a larger digital ecosystem, connecting with smart infrastructure, personal devices, and cloud services. This ensures that occupants remain connected and informed, with access to real-time information, entertainment options, and personalized settings that adjust automatically to preferences and driving conditions. The Skysphere becomes not just a car, but a mobile extension of the user's digital life. Performance is another key element of the Skysphere's appeal. Its electric powertrain delivers impressive acceleration and smooth, responsive handling, harnessing the latest advances in battery technology and electric motors. The adjustable wheelbase enhances driving dynamics, allowing the car to switch between nimble agility in sports mode and stable, composed cruising in Grand Touring mode. This versatility means the Skysphere can satisfy both the enthusiast craving an engaging drive and the traveler seeking comfort and convenience. In terms of design details, the Skysphere features futuristic lighting elements, including OLED headlights and taillights that not only provide excellent visibility, but also serve as dynamic visual signatures. The wheels themselves are aerodynamically optimized and visually striking, complementing the car's overall aesthetic while contributing to efficiency. The retractable roof adds to the open-air Roadster experience, enhancing the connection to the environment and the thrill of driving. The Audi Skysphere is more than just a concept. It's a statement about the future direction of luxury automobiles. It challenges traditional notions by combining a timeless sports car silhouette with transformative technology that adapts to different driving scenarios and user needs. This dual personality approach offers unprecedented flexibility, proving that luxury today is about choice, personalization, and seamless integration of technology. In essence, the Skysphere embodies Audi's philosophy of progress that doesn't discard the past, but elevates it through innovation. It respects the heritage of the Roadster while embracing the possibilities of electrification, automation, and digital connectivity. This concept car is a glimpse into a future where cars are not just machines, but sophisticated living spaces that respond intelligently to their environment and occupants. Ultimately, the Audi Skysphere is a visionary prototype that pushes the boundaries of design, technology, and user experience. It promises a new era of progressive luxury, where drivers and passengers alike can enjoy both the thrill of the road and the serenity of a mobile lounge. With its dual-mode functionality, advanced autonomous systems, and immersive digital ecosystem, the Skysphere sets a bold new standard for what an electric roadster can be: dynamic, elegant, and incredibly smart. It invites us to imagine a future where driving is not just about getting from point A to point B, but about experiencing freedom, comfort, and connection in ways never before possible.